Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp with spaghetti. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including 1 pound of shrimp, spaghetti, garlic, and good quality olive oil. Next, prepare your shrimp by peeling and deveining them. You can leave the tails on for a nice presentation. While you're doing that, start cooking 8 ounces of spaghetti until it's perfectly al dente, following the package instructions. This ensures everything comes together smoothly. Now, let's get those shrimp perfectly cooked. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Add your prepared shrimp to the hot pan in a single layer. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, as they can become tough. Once done, remove the shrimp and set them aside. With the shrimp set aside, it's time to build our flavorful sauce. In the same skillet, add 3 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of white wine or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of the reserved pasta water, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a generous amount of chopped fresh parsley. This creates a light, vibrant sauce. Almost there. Now, return the cooked spaghetti and the perfectly sautéed shrimp to the skillet with your delicious sauce. Toss everything gently to combine, making sure every strand of pasta is beautifully coated. Serve immediately, garnished with extra fresh parsley and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible shrimp spaghetti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.